Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for watching. Alright, so we just got done tackling phase 3. The brakes look good. Now it's time to tackle one of the bigger jobs we're going to do on this build. That's going to be doing the engine bay. We're going to repaint it, make it look fresh and nice. We're also going to clean up all the wiring and stuff along those lines here, just to make it look a lot better than what it was. That way when you pop the hood on this thing, it's going to look really good on the engine bay. So we've got a good amount of work to do here. So you ready to tackle this job?
I'm ready.
Alright, let's tackle phase 4. All right, guys, we got everything tacked off. We got all the wires and everything hung up and wrapped. And now we're going to go ahead and spray some primer where we got all the way through to the metal. And then we're going to start getting ready to put this thing into some color. So everything, we didn't have to deal with anything really major on this. And no major rust issues or anything along those lines. So yeah, I'm excited for how this is going to turn out. So all right, let's go ahead and shoot some primer on this thing. All right, guys, we got a little break in the action here. We're going to go ahead and let the paint dry for a little bit, but I think we're pretty impressed with the results, to say the least. Mm-hmm. But why don't you tell a little bit more about the paint that we used?
Sure. So it was a bit of a struggle, if you will, to try to figure out where you could get paint-matched aerosol. Now, I guess this was a big thing years ago, not so much now. but just by luck, the other problem is that they used this color on 93 Cobras. I think they used it on some SN95s briefly. I could be wrong, but it's ES paint code. They call it Performance Red, but really it's Vibrant Red, I think is what Ford really calls it. But I found this company, expresspaint.com. You can literally go in there and they have every paint code from every manufacturer, pretty much what seems to me going back to the beginning of time. Now keep in mind I'm not an expert on this by any stretch of the imagination, but I mean it was $25 a can. It's an 11 ounce. It covers pretty good. I mean, it comes out pretty good. It lays out really flat, but I got to say, at first I was like, wow, you think $25 a can for 11 ounces of paint? Yeah. But it is real automotive paint. It is really paint mashed. I mean, if you were to be looking at this from fender to engine bay, you can't tell. Yeah. And it's not even cleared yet. So, expresspaint.com, I highly recommend it. I am blown away. I mean, I think Donnie is too, but yeah. I wouldn't say it's foolproof. I don't know if I could have done as good a job as Donnie did because I have zero experience with this, but I am tickled pink. It is fantastic.
Yeah, so yeah, highly recommend it. And if I get another project in the future for myself and I want to do some engine bay door jams and stuff, I'm definitely going to go with that company because yeah, it's actually automotive paint in an aerosol form. Mm-hmm. It doesn't like spot like it does with like regular spray paint you buy from like O'Reilly's or whatever. It's not your run-of-the-mill spray paint. That's why it's a little bit more pricey. It's actually mixed paint put in aerosol form, and it lays down extremely flat. We got no runs in it or anything along those lines. So we're very happy with it. But now it's time to throw some clear on this thing and make it shine.
Finish her up.
That's right. Alright guys, so we just got done laying down the clear, and I'd say the results speak for themselves. How do you feel about how this has all turned out?
It looks fantastic.
Yeah, and I'm just really ecstatic about it. We did all this with aerosol and rattle cans, yeah. And you can't do much better than that on rattle cans. A lot of times, especially with like store-bought clear coat and stuff like that, it sprays out a little dry, so you got to do multiple coats to get the even coverage. And then sometimes if you spray too much, it gets that milky texture, and it's hard to have that go away. But tell them about this clear that we used.
Yeah, so it's Spray Max is the brand. It's 2K Clear Glamour 3680061, which is a lot of information, but got it on Amazon, $25, $30 a can, somewhere in there. Like most things on Amazon, you can shoot the moon, you can get something cheap. This was more towards the middle. But like Donnie said, it went down nice. It went down real nice. It's a two-parter, which I gotta say, pretty neat. Made me a little nervous at first because I'm like, I don't know anything about this.
Yeah, and I never used that kind of aerosols type before. Normally it's just rattle spray. But yeah, this was a two-parter, and it does lay down a little thick, so if you're not used to that, it does lay down a little thick, so make sure you have your can at a good distance. I'd say 10 to 12 inches away when you first start. Mm-hmm. Get your first coat down, and then make sure you get nice, good, even coats. Don't move your arms too fast. Get it looking nice. So yeah, we got it to lay down pretty smooth. It looks like glass in the front core support. I'm real happy with that. I'm just like ecstatic about how that turned out.
Even the areas that were a little milky, that were a little thick, dried for what, 5-10 minutes?
Yeah, and it all just kind of smoothed itself out, kind of like just flattened out, and it looks great. So now we gotta let this dry for a couple days before we can do anything else. But yeah, I'm really happy with the results. I believe you are too.
I'm very happy.
Yeah. All right, so that's pretty much going to do it for phase 4. And when we move on to phase 5, we're going to start tackling the wiring. I do have a little bit of experience of doing the wire tuck job if you guys watched any of my videos for my 87 Mustang. So we're going to clean up all the wires because, you know, I've got the engine bed looking so good. We don't want to put nasty old wire loom in.
It would be an insult to the time and expertise of Donnie here with a rattle hand. So.
Right. So, yeah, it'd be like a sore thumb. As soon as you open up the hood, it'd be like engine, beautiful engine compartment, and then old, dusty, nasty wire loom, old tape. It's like, no, we're going to fix all that. So, all right, that's going to do it for phase 4 here. We're happy with the results. Stay tuned for phase 5 where we tackle the wiring.